Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the DJI Flip. At first glance, it kind of looks like a combination between the Neo drone and the Mini 3/4 as it shares quite a lot of similarities between them, but let's take a closer look. Firstly, I feel as though we should talk about its design because it is very unique looking. It's actually DJI's first drone to feature these full coverage foldable propeller guards. Now they're not only there for extra safety, which I will show you later on, they also add a little bit more durability to the drone in the sense that when you're folding it up and shoving it in your bag, it just feels as though nothing's going to snap off, you know? Speaking of durability, those prop guards feature a carbon fiber support structure which helps keep it nice and lightweight, under 249 grams, so it's ideal for traveling with. The DJI Flip features the same imaging sensor and lens as found on the Mini 4 Pro, which will give you kind of an idea of what the quality will be like. We've got 48 megapixels and 12 megapixel stills, 4K 60p video recording, as well as 4K 100p, which will allow you to capture some epic looking slow motion. And there are also options to shoot in full HD. One of the things I was really excited to see about the Flip is the fact that it can shoot vertical video. Now, this isn't true vertical shooting like we have on the Mini 3 and 4 Pro, as the 3-axis mechanical gimbal doesn't actually rotate. What it does do is it will crop your frame for you. So you are left with a 2.7K 16:9 recording, and that does it in camera, in app, in drone, so that you don't need to spend the time in post cropping your footage and editing it that way. So this is great if you are one of us who likes to shoot content for social media, especially the stuff that's going to be viewed on a smartphone. There are also options to shoot stills in RAW and video in 10-bit D-Log M, which will retain more details in your shadows and highlights for better flexibility in post. We have a 31-minute flight time, a max speed of around 26 miles per hour, so it will keep up with whatever activity you choose to do, and it's packed full of intelligent flight modes and features to ensure you're getting the best creative footage you can without needing to be a pro pilot. These are modes that we've seen before across DJI's drone range, so I can already tell you that they're great for adding dynamic angles and creative flair to your content. The Flip also features obstacle avoidance with its forward 3D infrared sensing system, so it will automatically brake when it spots an obstacle for enhanced safety. Just like Neo, we have palm takeoff and landing, a bunch of intelligent flight modes, and AI subject tracking, so it is super simple to create professional looking footage without the need for a remote. Just think of Flip as your own personal mini film crew. And this is where those full coverage props come in handy, making it much safer for you and your fingers during takeoff and landing, and probably gives you a little bit more confidence as well if you're not used to having a drone fly so close. There's also voice control where you can pilot Flip with spoken directives, and if you wanted to use the drone as your all-in-one content creation tool, then you can also capture audio when it's connected to your phone. I've had so much fun using the Flip today. It is a great step up feature-wise from the Neo without adding too much onto your price tag. And if you're a creator who is just starting out on your aerial content journey, then this would be a great choice for you just because it is so simple to set up and use. Now, if you would like to find out any more information on the DJI Flip, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.